Today I am giving you a tour of 7772 North 56th Lane in Glendale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Glendale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Glendale. Welcome to this wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Glendale. The kitchen is equipped with great appliances, plus lots of cabinet and counter space for easy meal prep. Featuring easy maintenance desert landscaping and a rear patio, this home is yours to enjoy all year long. This property is in a fantastic location. It is centrally located and close to shops and restaurants. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. As you can see, the bedrooms are nice and spacious and come with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. Other great features of this home include ceiling fans for year-round comfort. Thank you for watching today's tour of this beautiful home for rent in Glendale. Have a wonderful day.